Hi and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do a walkthrough tutorial of this Clover 2x2. It was released by Yuxin, and it's a really fun puzzle, very intuitive and straightforward, and not too difficult to solve. And so far I've tried two methods of solving it. One is first solving the shell of the 2x2, and then solving the edges and finally the corners. And the other way I've tried is basically reducing the 2x2 squares and then in the end just solving the 2x2. And I find that way to be the easier way because then you have more options for moving pieces around. So this is the method that I'm going to show, basically reducing it into a 2x2 fully and then just simply solving the 2x2. So the first thing to note is that these three colored corner pieces are fixed. They never move from their place. So you could see this central piece, the blue, this yellow, and this orange. This is part of this 2x2 cube that is fixed to this 2x2 cube. And this corner is fixed to that. So if I turn it like this, you can see I match the orange, the blue, and the yellow. And this is the same with all 8 corners. So first I'm going to do that. I'm just going to turn the corner to match on all of them. So you can see this is the center is a white, green, orange, so I just turn it this way to match. I'm going to do the same with this and this here, and I believe this is already done. So all of them, step 1 is complete. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in these edge pieces, and bearing in mind that I'm only working on reducing the cubes and not, like, for example, here I don't need 2 red whites. I only need 1 red white. And you can see I have one here actually, but it's the wrong one because you could see I have the white here and the red here, but this one is inverted, so it's the wrong one. So let's find the other one, and it happens to be right here. So I just move this in and turn, and it's good. And coincidentally, this one was also placed in its proper place as well by accident. Okay, let's see what else I could do. So for example, green white, you can see based on the center pieces here. Where's the green white piece? I have one here. Is this the right one? Let's see. No, you could see because if I turn it in, it's going to be inverted, so this is the wrong one. I need to look for the other green white piece and see. Let's see where it is. It's right here. Place it here, turn it, and you can see this is now in place. Let's do this one, green red, and this is the wrong one because it's inverted. The right one is over here. Bring it up, turn. So this QB here, you can see, is fully done with the exception of these corner pieces right here. Okay, moving on. See, this yellow red needs to go here because this one is here, also yellow red, but it's the wrong one. So first I'm going to turn this out from this QB and then move it out and position it. It's all intuitive in order to place it. Turn it in. This is good. Green yellow, once again, is the wrong one. I need this one. So position it. See, I don't need to undo any 2x2 moves because I'm using this method. If I would have built the shell first and then work on the reduction, I'd need to undo all the moves as I do them in order not to break apart the 2x2 solve. Green red here. Oh, coincidentally, I noticed that these two are already in, and I just need to turn them, and this reduces this whole section right there. Back to, oh, green red is already in place here. Just need to turn it. See, this blue white needs to go there. So position it. Put it in there. Here I need the blue red with the other one, which is over here. Here I need the orange blue. not this one's the wrong one. Oh, it's right here. Turn it out. Put that in. Let's do a blue-white. I have one here. I think that's the right one. Orange, white. Not this one. There we go. Green, white here, but not this one. It has to be that one. This is in. Okay. Orange, white. It's right here. Turn that in. Let's see. Orange, yellow. It's in here, but where can I put this? Put that one in. Green, yellow. Goes there. Orange, yellow has to be this one, has to go here, so I have to kick it out first. Position is here. Almost everything is done, just a few more. Here should be blue, yellow. This one. There, I think it's all done. With the exception of these small pieces, I've reduced them. Now I'm going to be putting in these corner pieces. And it's also quite intuitive. Just position it. So this one, yeah, goes here. Turn it. Turn something else in. And turn it back. And then turn this back. You see the pieces in. This I'm going to put in here, the green red. So I turn it in, replace it with something else, turn this back, and then turn this back. So I can put this in here. So I'm going to turn this like this, turn this up. Actually, this is the wrong one. So fine, let's just undo that. This one needs to go there. I'm gonna turn this up, put this in, turn this back, and undo this turn. So that piece is now in. This one is going to go here. Turn this up, put it in, turn it back, and undo the turn. And now this one I could put into here. Put it in, turn something else, and back. See, this one needs to go here. See, this needs to go here. Turn this up, so I don't want to break this. Is it this one that goes here? Let's check. No, I think, oh yeah, it is. Okay. And this we need here, so let's replace this. Turn, turn. So we're gonna put in here. So setup move with this to put it into here. Turn this back. This into here. This into here. This here. So let's turn this up. This one needs to go here. This needs to go here, so turn this up. Goes here. And this one's gonna have to go here. I think we're down to our last three. Just gonna do a setup move. Let me think how I want to position it. Here. Okay. And we are done with reducing it into a 2x2, and now we just solve it as a 2x2. And that's it. That's how you solve the Clover 2x2. Really fun, relaxing, intuitive solve. Really nice puzzle. Turns well. Feels really good quality. So that'll be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and until next time.